Guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today I will be discussing about the GK and GS one-liner question, that is part 54. I request you guys to check my playlist. You will find up to part 53 which are very useful for all competitive examinations. Let us see exactly what it has been given in the playlist. Here we have dense vegetation in Rajasthan is found in which place? We knew that whatever the Aravalli ranges which are located in Mount Abu, in that places maximum dense vegetation you will find in the Rajasthan. Next it is marble is the changed form of which one? We knew that whatever the marble stone we have, that is the changed form of limestone. Now limestone, whatever the limestone it is there, that is the changed form of marble. The port of Kandla, which is situated at which place? That is at the head of the Kori Creek of Kutch. This is one thing you have to remember, guys. The port of Kandla, that is situated at the head of the Kori Creek of Kutch. As you can see to the right side, what exactly the PPT has given. Kori Creek, just near to the India, just whatever has been given. This is one thing, Kori Creek, near to the Kori Creek, it is port of Kandla is located. The process of washing away organizations was found by Gopal Krishna Gokhale. We knew that the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi, who was the guy? That was Gopal Krishna Gokhale. So here the process of washing away organizations was founded by Gopal Krishna Gokhale. What was that organization? The Servants of Indian Society was that organization. Next we have hard water is filtered through a mineral to make it soft. This mineral is called zeolite. Please remember, guys. Whatever the hard water is, that is filtered through a mineral to make it soft. This mineral is known as zeolite. The river known as Vrid Ganga or Old Ganga, that river is, as you can see to the right side, which is the longest river in South India, that is Godavari. Akbar collected a very valuable library of manuscripts on all subjects because he wanted to start a new religion. We knew that Akbar encouraged all the religions and had set up Ibadat Khana in Fatehpur Sikri, and he knew that he had collected the manuscripts of all the religions because he wanted to start a good new religion. Next we have Fahian, the Chinese traveler, visited India mainly to study Buddhism. This is one thing, guys, we have to remember. Whoever the Chinese traveler, his name was Fahian. He had visited India mainly to study Buddhism. Ancient Monuments Preservation Act, which was passed during the Viceroyalty of Lord Curzon. As you can see, the partition of Bengal had been taken by the Lord Curzon. The Ancient Monument Preservation Act, which was passed during the Viceroyalty of Lord Curzon only. India is a democratic republic because the head of the state is elected by the people. That is the reason, by the people, for the people, that is democratic republic. The Secretary General of the United Nations is appointed by the General Assembly upon the recommendations of the Security Council. This is one thing you have to remember. Whatever the organization, that is United Nations organization, whose Secretary General is appointed by the General Assembly upon the recommendations of the Security Council only. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends, where you will find 1000+ question papers from various examinations as it is given. You can have a look how exactly it has been segregated. Here we have the Simla Pact that was signed between India and Pakistan. Who were the main sign in that during that time? The prime ministers of respective places, as you can see. From India, Indira Gandhi. From Pakistan, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto was the one who had signed this pact between India and Pakistan. I want you guys to comment in this section, when was the Simla Pact had taken place. The recent policy of disinvestment of equity capital of public sector enterprises is mainly intended to reduce the burden of budgetary support to them. Please remember guys, whatever the recent policy of the disinvestment of equity capital of public sector enterprises is mainly intended to reduce the burden of budgetary support to them. Next we have the two colossal images of the Buddha at Bohemian are works of those two colossal images. They are the works of Gupta art. An overwhelming majority of images of Ajanta are those of Buddha. We knew that whatever the majority images of Ajanta concerning to the which religion, that concerning to the Buddha religion. The largest average size of the agricultural holding, that was, as you can see, the largest average size of agricultural holding you will find in Rajasthan. Kalhana's Rajatarangini is a history of Kashmir. Please remember guys, Ardhashastra had been written by Kautilya. Kalhana's Rajatarangini that depicts concerning to the Kashmir. The Muslim ruler introduced the price control system for the first time in India. We knew that Alauddin Khilji, as you can see to the right side how exactly he looks like, he was a Mughal emperor, he was a Muslim ruler of Khilji dynasty, introduced the price control system for the first time in India. So the controlling of the price had been initiated by the Alauddin Khilji. The characteristic red sandstone with beach spots was the medium of the Madura sculptures. We knew that what are the sculptures of Madura? They are red sandstone with beach spots was the medium of the Madura sculptures. Next we have the committee recently submitted its report on insurance sector reforms. We knew that the Malhotra committee, whatever has been given, that committee recently submitted report on insurance sector reforms. The most suitable for making an electromagnet is, that is, soft iron, as you can see to the right side. How exactly the soft iron is used for the making of electromagnet. These are the magnets which are used in the electric belts and various places. A glass rod placed in a colorless liquid seems to disappear when the glass and the liquid have the same refractive index. Please remember guys, what are the glass rods we have? They are placed in a colorless liquid seems to disappear when the glass and the liquid have the same refractive index. Then only it is possible, otherwise it is not. You will find the difference between the liquid as well as glass rod. Next we have penicillin, terramycin, streptomycin. These are all what? These are all antibiotics. Please remember, whatever these antibiotics in India, in Rishikesh you will find maximum antibiotics are produced in Rishikesh. The soluble salts of calcium and magnesium is known as hard water. We knew that whatever the soluble salts of calcium and magnesium, they are known as what? Hard water. The Madras school of art flourished during the reign of which? That is Vasudeva. This is a guy who had the Madras school of art has been flourished during his time. The Voice of India published extracts from the Indian press. It was started by Dadabhai Naoroji. As we are aware that Grand Old Man of India, he is Dadabhai Naoroji, who has been called as the Voice of India, published extracts from the Indian press. It was started by Dadabhai Naoroji. Now we have the policy of production forestry of the government that aims at meeting needs of local people and forest based industries. That is one thing. The policy of production forestry of the government that aims at meeting needs of local people and forest based industries. Next we have the writ issued by the Supreme Court, as you can see to the right side how exactly the Supreme Court looks like, which is located in Delhi. The writ issued by the Supreme Court is suo motu, that means on its own motion. The meaning of it is a Latin word. Suo motu means on its own motion. Iron is richly available in which one? You will find in jaggery maximum content of iron is available, which is very good for the blood. The organ of the body that mainly damaged in hepatitis is, we knew that whenever you get the hepatitis, you will have the damage in your liver. So when the liver doesn't function properly, that doesn't secrete whatever the bile juice, that leads to the jaundice. Here we have mobile number. You can call me on mobile number if you want. 2100 PDF of GK and GS, which are very useful for all competitive examinations. You can share it to your friends, which is very useful. You can have a good look over your playlist where you will find up to part 53. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.